In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a voice note with Google Keep 5 minutes. We'll use Google Docs built-in voice typing and the Google Keep sidebar so your spoken words become text and are saved to keep. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account, your microphone is connected, and you've allowed your browser to access it. Chrome works best for this. Start by going to Google Docs in your browser. Once you're in, open a blank document so you have a clean space to work. With the document open, go to the top menu and click Tools. In that menu, choose Voice Typing. A small microphone box will appear on the left side of your document. If you need to change the language, use the drop-down above the mic icon to select what you'll be speaking. Before recording, glance to the right edge of your screen. That's the Google sidebar. Look for the light bulb icon, that's Google Keep. Click it to open the Keep panel. In the panel, click where it says Take a Note. This creates a new Keep note that will capture what you're working on alongside your document. Now you're ready to speak. Click the mic icon in the voice typing box to start. Speak clearly and at a natural pace. You'll see your words appear in the document in real time. If you want punctuation, say it as you go, like comma, period, or new line. Try to record in a quiet place to help accuracy and keep the microphone a comfortable distance from your mouth so your audio is clean. As you dictate, Keep stays open on the side, and the text you're producing in Docs is also saved within your active Keep note. This gives you a quick way to keep your thoughts organized and available across devices. When you're finished speaking, click Done in the voice typing box to stop recording. Take a moment to scan your text for any misheard words and fix them directly in the document. Those edits will reflect in your note as well. To confirm everything's saved, open keep.google.com in your browser. You'll see the note you created complete with the text from your voice typing session. From here, you can rename the note, add a label, or pin it so it's easy to find later. That's it. Your voice note is now safely stored in Google Keep and ready whenever you need it.